Hello everyone, so today I am showing you probably one of my most requested tutorials or my most asked questions, and that is how I do my hair. So let me just tell you a little bit about my relationship with my hair. I am incredibly lazy when it comes to doing my own hair. Anything that is really simple, I'm all for. I will do this hairstyle and then I will probably brush it out for the next sort of 4 to 5 days, and we'll just add more and more product until then I have to wash it. I'm one of them people that only washes their hair once or more than a week, just because my hair can handle it. I know that a lot of people are like, oh my god, I can't go a single day without washing my hair. That is because you do wash it every day. I know for some people their hair follicles can be quite oily, but the more you wash it, the more oilier they become, because you are washing all the natural oils out of your hair. Your hair after a while starts washing itself, and if you are worried about, you know, it being greasy and what, just dry shampoo. Dry shampoo is my best friend, so just dry shampoo the shit out of your hair and I promise you it will look fine. But yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, which I'm sure you'll be able to do at home because it's so easy, please keep watching. Okay, so my hair, it is quite dry and it has been coloured quite a lot, so it does hold styles quite well. So I don't really need to do a lot to get away with the style holding too much. But if you have got that virgin hair that hasn't been processed, it's not been coloured and it's in really good condition, just use more products and that will help the texture of your hair. So first things first, I don't do this every single time that I style my hair, but I do it when I blow dry it. I use the Urbanfudge sea salt spray and I give my hair a really good spritz all over with this product. This is a textured product, so it will help your hair feel a little bit, you know, gritty. Now I also, obviously I would do this normally when my hair is wet, but I also use like a Frieda heat protection spray just to try and protect it a little bit, and I spray this all in as well. Now the sea salt spray is quite fast drying, so you need to act quite fast. I then brush these products through with just my detangling brush, and then what I do is I like to blow dry these products into my hair, actually just to save some time. When you blow dry these products into your hair, it creates a lot of volume as well, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to do a really quick blow dry. Once that's all dry, I take a dry shampoo. This is DFI. So again, it's just all these products that I'm using are to create volume in my hair. So I just take this where my hair would naturally go a bit greasy, so all at the root, and just spray this product in these areas. My fringe as well. Right, you need a hair wand. I use this one. This is the BaByliss one. I think this is a really old one. Yeah, there's loads out there. So any curling one will do. So wait for that to heat up. I just divide my hair into two, and within that two, I then divide the top and the bottom section. So I just clip that bit up and this bit to the side. So the whole idea with beach waves is to not make everything look too neat and too set. So the way I do it is I'll curl one section one way, I'll then curl it another way, I'll take little sections, I'll take big sections. which actually makes the process a lot easier because, like I said, you don't have to be really careful, you don't have to be really neat. All areas around my face are curled away from my face because that gives you the whole softer effect around your face. Right, so hold your wand facing downwards like that, and then take your hair, start it at the top and twizzle it round. Hold for a few seconds, not too long, because you put these products in, it will curl really easily. Then I just pull it like that towards me instead of away from me, and then pull it out. Don't take massive bits because the heat won't get through all the hair and it will look a little bit wavy. So your bits don't want to be any wider than probably an inch, but you can take smaller bits than that if you want little tighter curls. Now try when you get to the back, keep the tongue and your hair at the back. Try not to bring it round so you can see it because it gets stretched and you may not get as close to the root as you can. Just be very careful. Wear a glove if you've, a heat protecting glove if you've got one. So hold that for a couple of seconds and then pull. And then take out your top section. I don't put any product in just yet either. Now this side is a lot thicker than the other side because it's got all my fringe in. So depending on how much hair I've got, I might just divide that again. Just take that up there. You can see that I'm not going right to the ends either. I'm leaving little ends out. This is because again, the straighter ends are all that beachy texture. Right, last section, take this bit down. I think personally, the longer your hair is, the better effect you'll get with hair tongs. And if you want like a beachy effect and you've got shorter hair, do it with straighteners. Now if that's something you're interested in, I could possibly do this hairstyle with straighteners. So let me know if you want to see sort of the same thing. But I'll teach you how to do it on yourself with straighteners. Just leave it in the comments below. So like you can see, this is taking no time at all. And now for the fringe bit, just curl the ends and then I run my tongue up and down like this just for a few seconds. This takes the heat through it without giving it a really defined curl. But I know a lot of people's questions are always the same, you know, like how do you get your hair like this? I curl my hair all the time and it never looks like how yours is. It's all to do with products, honestly. Your hair will never look as good as what you want it to do if all you're doing is just curling it. If you don't use products, then your hairstyles won't hold and it's all about texture. And if you've not got the right products, then unfortunately there's no way really to achieve that. And then it all merges together a bit more. Now for the other side. Okay, so once everything is curled, what I like to do is take my hands and literally run it through. Okay, then just make sure like this bit here looks a little bit flat. So take your curlers again and just go on that bit for a couple seconds. And that bit there, just the end bit looks a little bit flat. I constantly am just like pulling it out. If you've got a comb like this, run that through it as well, because it just breaks the curls up nicely. So take your straighteners and just straighten some of the ends. Okay, so next thing, take a comb and I literally just go in the top areas and I back comb. I also do it to areas down here to make it look thicker as well. Just make it look big. I love big hair. I was not blessed with big hair, but that doesn't mean I can't have it. I have a double crown at the back, which I hate. So I always take the back section and make sure I back comb that bit over my double crown, because if not it shows and I look like I've got a bald patch. Make sure you know you're not just doing it all at the sides, make sure you get the back as well. Now if you are a person that likes really smooth, sleek hair, and you are a person that constantly brushes their hair, this hairstyle may not be for you. This is perfect for me because I don't really brush my hair either. You know, I'll probably take a comb like this tomorrow and just run it through slightly, and that's about it. Whereas if you want to brush all this out and do it again, I can imagine it will probably be a little bit damaging for your hair. So this hairstyle is for lazy people who can't be bothered to do their hair. Okay, just a little bit here. Okay, right, next thing is I'm going to take my L'Oreal Paris Constructor Spray, give it a good shake. Now this is tough stuff. I use this on my brides as it is texture. Okay, then what I do is I flip my hair forward, give it a good scrunch, and flip it back. Right, and then the last thing I do is, because my hair's had a lot of heat and a lot of product on it, I take basically just a hair oil. Okay, there's loads of them about. So I just take a couple of drops and that will just look after the ends. And then I normally have that bit tucked behind my ear. Now every hairdresser out there or hairstylist is probably going, oh my god, what has she done? That's not how you do your hair. I don't care. This works for me. I love it. And like I said, I am lazy, so the easier and the quicker I can do it, the better for me. I'm just going to curl this a little bit. So there you have it, guys. My beachy waves done with a hair towel. I hope you enjoyed, and if you do try this at home, please take a picture and show me, because I love to see what it looks like on different hairstyles or different types. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you found it really, really easy as well. Like I said, I'm not one for making things too complicated when it comes to hair, so give it a go and let me see how it goes. Bye.